Hello everybody and welcome to my YouTube channel. It's time for some more guitar lessons. And many people asked me if I could do a lesson about improvisation. So I put together a whole 2 hours video course on Udemy where I teach you some solo concepts but also some improvisation skills. And the reason why I chose a country song is because it's easier to start with a slow song and then later you can translate it into rockabilly, 50s pop, or even traditional jazz if you like. So here on YouTube I uploaded some lectures from the actual course so you can preview the full course, and if you like what you see, just follow the link in the description below and you can enroll for a huge discount. Then later in the summer I'll upload some more rockabilly guitar lessons, including Bob and High School Baby, Blue Days, Black Nights, and Ducktail. So enough talking now, let's dive right into it. This is what you're gonna learn.